Hey, ma'am, what do you think you're doing in here? Oh, you weren't doing anything, huh? I've been... Alexa, stop. I've been thinking a lot about keeping this board because I kind of love it, but I've also been really thinking about giving it away. So, I'm going to flip a coin. Heads, I keep it. Tails, it's a gift. Alright, heads never fails, right? That's how it goes. Damn it.
Daughter-in-law kills me for the money. She thinks I left him in the will. The family gathers round and reads it, and then someone screams out, he's laughing at us from hell.